In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design newsletters on Beehiiv. First, make sure you're logged into your Beehiiv account, then head over to your main dashboard. This is your starting point for everything you create. From here, look for the option that says Start Writing and click on it. This takes you into the area where you can create and design your newsletter. You'll see a template library with different newsletter layouts you can use as a starting point. Browse through the options and click on the newsletter template you want to work off of. Choosing a template that's close to your brand style will save you time later. Once the editor opens, click directly on any text you see to edit it and add your own content. Replace placeholder headings, subheadings, and paragraphs with your copy. Take a moment to make sure your main message is clear before you move on to the visual design. Next to each section, you'll notice a plus icon. Click on this plus icon to add extra elements like bulleted lists, columns, buttons, tables, images, and new sections. This is how you structure your newsletter and make it more engaging. Think about breaking up long text with images or lists so it's easier to read. Now, to customize the overall look, click on Style. Inside the Basic tab, you'll find several drop-downs that control your design. Open the Colors drop-down to adjust things like the outside background, the post background, text on the background, primary colors, text on primary, secondary colors, and link colors. Try to stick to a small set of brand colors so everything feels consistent. Next, click on the typography drop-down. Here you can choose the font family and font weight for your headings and for your paragraphs separately. Pick fonts that are easy to read and avoid using too many different styles. Then, open the spacing drop-down. This is where you control margins and padding, which is basically the space around and inside your content blocks. Small changes here can make your newsletter feel much cleaner and less cramped. You can also use the borders drop-down to adjust border thickness and corner radius, giving sections sharper or more rounded edges depending on your style. When you're comfortable with the basics, switch to the Advanced tab. You'll land on the Background Edit section, where you can fine-tune colors, padding, radius, margins, borders, and related styling details for different parts of the email. From there, you can drill down into specific areas. Click on Email Header to customize how the top of your newsletter looks. Click on Body to refine the main content area. Use widgets to edit each widget individually, so elements like featured posts or promos match your overall design. Finally, click on Email Footer to edit the colors, text, and elements at the bottom of your email, such as your social links or unsubscribe information. Once you've gone through these sections, your Beehiiv newsletter